Hey, what's up? I'm coming live from the Clubhouse Code Bootcamp. Just been working on PHP today. We're still covering MySQL databases. Kind of have an example set up here. Let me just turn on my Apache server. So we just made like a little to-do list app. It's pretty cool. I kind of like went a little bit overkill in the layout. We didn't use Ajax or any like JavaScript post requests, so this is all just pure PHP and HTML and CSS. And the only JavaScript that I have is for this file to like do a drop down, but it doesn't even do that. So I can delete a thing from here, task delete it successfully, and then click on my list, takes me back here, and I can do like another one, drink, coffee, add it, go back to my list, drink coffee, can delete it, go back to my list. It's just a simple to-do app. But yeah, it's all just PHP. Add a little bit of CSS to kind of style it. But here's like the delete page, takes you to the delete route. If you look at it, click on this, takes you to this delete route. And when you go to that, it passes in the ID that you get from this hidden field right here. That hidden field right here. And then it uses this PHP method called delete task, deletes the task by its ID. And when I want to add a task, so when I want to add a task, I forgot where I put it, right here, click on that submit button, add, goes into add.php, and .php is right here. Inserts a new task, adds a new task to the database. If I go to my PHP admin, so localhost, PHP admin, we can open up the database. I'm using XAMPP server. Pretty nice little environment for doing PHP, and got everything saved in HT docs. So this is all being put into to-do, in the database to-do, and then in list table. You see there's no tasks in here right now. So if I go back to app here, and go back to my list, clean room. Okay. Add it clean room, look at the database, refresh it, adds clean room to the page, and I'm tracking all this stuff in GitHub too. So if you want to kind of see what we're working on, I've got it all here in this little repo. Nope, not that one. This is a different one in JavaScript. Go back to my profile, and then repositories, and PHP to do is the thing. So I'll just take that, and I'll actually add that to. I'll add that to this this video if you want to see that stuff. But it's really fun exercise to learn how to add, insert, and get all items from a database. It's really good to learn those methods. That's pretty much it. Getting all the items. It's pretty straightforward. I get all the tasks right here. I call this function in the index.php. I do get all tasks, and then I do a for each loop, and then I add little forms for delete buttons, and then I echo whatever was that task. I echo it right here in this column over here in the get all tasks. Make a connection to my database, then I just get all the data, do a fetch all, and I parse that in the main page, and it gives me all my to-dos. Yep, pretty fun stuff. Like it. It's cool. I know Node.js really well, so it's nice to kind of like learn how to do stuff in PHP. But yeah, pretty fun. Definitely recommend checking out this bootcamp if you're interested in getting really serious about web development. Other than that, just been busy. I slept in a little bit today. I was so tired from yesterday. I had a very, very long day. I've been getting up at 3 every single day and just going hard in algorithms and data structures, and getting ready for the FE exam. And really looking forward to this weekend to finish out some stuff for Champion Fitness. I'm so happy at Champion Fitness. It's like the best place to work out. I seriously have no ulterior motive. Like I just go there and I work out for like a half hour and I'm done. I didn't do it today, but I'm gonna do it tomorrow. And like me and my girlfriend have lost so much weight working out. Like best things in life, set some goals, do some fitness, and get to work on that stuff because it takes time, but that's all it takes. It's a little bit of time, just gotta practice it every single day. I wasn't hitting up a YouTube video every single day last week, but I'm doing it this week. Friday will be the close. I've actually done a full entire week of doing YouTube videos. That's gonna be pretty awesome. But that's it for today. Hope you like that little app that I made. I'll post a link to the GitHub repository if you want to download it. It's not really worth downloading. I wouldn't really recommend ever doing an app like this. You should probably use Ajax or some JavaScript to do your post requests and stuff. But I'll just put it in there just for fun, if you want to see how I did the code.